I go buy your entire YouTube house and turn it into a poultry farm. Adolfo Kojo Forex ato phone bi e de amani Kojo Sheldon amache say a phone no air trendy on X. Now it's ignited some sort of beef between themselves. Now nkrofo PNT as here the AC between these two giants ama omo trendy. Now Vimbas be break it down this particular beef for you ntinya abotre nepe video no to the very last end. The AC a few hours ago Kojo Forex make a controversial tweet. Ochemwa or say no age limitation. However, Ghana now you're 30 years plus and over. Now who make your first 100,000? Just say who make your own sankai, who nibia. Any just say or say check now check your friends and circles as well. Now the Ochoye and I just say that screen is so or say no age range has a limitation, but if you are 30 years plus. As of now, you should have seen and made your first 100,000 Ghana cedis at least. This is equivalent to just $6,150 today. If you haven't made it yet, check yourself first, then check your friends and circles. Adolfo, me underage, me age 19 years, I wouldn't take offense of this. After all, me making me first 100,000 Ghana cedis here. Now, Kojo Sheldon, ebe make some content on it or refer to this tweet made by Kojo Forex as nonsense or break it down why he strongly disagrees with Kojo Forex. And no, and I trigger Forex amache say omoko back and forth on X adani heated beef. Out of menko tie the Kojo Sheldon eka just a few seconds of it. With the continuation of this beef.
First of all, I respect them and whatever they do, but this is a nonsensical tweet. Maybe I'll go straight to the point. You see, when you are sitting in a position of privilege, you have to be calculated with some of the things you say. Look at the economic condition in this country. Bro, you see the video of people trying to get Trotsky to work. Bro, it no be say people be lazy. Things no day for boys. So you know go first sit here and tell 30 plus no crowd, bro. After now we shall brass you. Bro, most of people in this country, the youth, when now them they come start or no 10,000 crew
30 plus now they can't get job.
You know
people who have worked for 30 years, Charlie, and they have not been able to save.
Bro, I always use my old girl was a nurse or nurse for her 30 years. Okofie, if I tell you the amount of money that was given to her, you go weep. I've seen.
So the Kojo Sheldon and while speaking about these particular statements and a tweet made by Kojo Forex. I don't want Kojo Forex. Almost say the fact say forex trading and some businesses are making you who you are today doesn't mean you should look down on people. Kojo Forex stood firm. I said the waka strongly. He believes 30 years and over will make you first 100K there NHSA. You have a question mark. Now in defense, Ochoa said 2009 and 2010 cars are selling for 100,000 Ghana cedis. But me telling a Ghanaian youth making 100,000 by 30 years plus makes me the villain. Now still in Crawford bash no. Now right after bash no ninsa ekokan Kojo Sheldon a video I'll refer to that particular post. I'll make it here as nonsense. And Ochoa said, dear Kojo Sheldon, you are 30 years. You boast of building a media empire, which is commendable. You own your house. You drive around in a Mercedes Benz. You travel around the world whenever you want. Your monthly revenue estimate exceeds $20,000. Your story says you came from rags. You no get two heads. You never use your platform to discuss financial literacy and liberations except sports, music, politics, and a few trolls. You complain the economy is hard, but you campaign with vote for the incumbent government. Your choice, by the way. You don't achieve all this and still preach mediocrity. Let the youth understand that it is possible, and it is possible because you have done it. It is possible because Wodimaya has done it. It is possible because I have done it. It is possible because a futurist Kwame has done it. It is possible because Enoke has done it, and thousands of others I can't mention here. Don't hide under the economic condition as an excuse for mediocrity when it's the same condition set for everyone, including you, that made it possible. In a currency economic condition, when a 2009 Toyota Vitz is selling for 100k, the least you did do is try to make a big deal out of an amount that has been rendered meaningless and useless by the exchange rate. Promote growth and setting a measure is a figurative standard that tracks progress. Lest you know, my message was and it is a wake-up call. That message is obviously not for everyone. It's for the right thinking heads that are ready to pick themselves up and get to work. Peace. Ochemo say, dear Kojo Sheldon, just say, you are a successful content creator, you have an empire, you drive a Benz around, you own, your own house and co. Your monthly revenue exceeds that of $20,000. Now, Eban is saying, no, Kojo Forex, or better say, wake up the youth, way, 30 years plus, just when you are making 100,000 Ghana cedis. Check your friends, now Kojo Sheldon, who has made it under this economy, would be complaining. Or say, it is the same, and I just say, the same economic standard, and I or no, I make it, and okay, I make it. Other people are making our economy way more. I was saying, Kojo Sheldon, a preacher said it is possible. I see the message or Troy, just saying, yet for BB and also for a selected few. Now, Kojo Sheldon and so a fire and so as it stands now, some tweet has been taken down. One kasa and of course, or delete. Now, Otwas Retro said, this guy can't even take constructive criticism. You get time, make a whole video about me. I gave you a perfect response without insults. Now, you make emotional, they rant nonsense. Low. It proves that some people's sense evaporates when their head goes bowed. Or say, why any video, Kojo Sheldon acquire content about it. I'm our son so abeki kana dream e dey check Kojo Sheldon. Na eba ne saying and on no the on person obeti as. Also kana dream e dey check Kojo Sheldon no che so when didi na tem. Eba ne saying and on no in his response e didi na tem. Osi say bi wapampam e pa e che se unyansa afa baby a enwi no ewo ansa na e pa no epie. Che se ni nwi ni nyina e na ahye na Kojo Sheldon and they prove said that particular statement true. Furthermore, or trust tell that big headed little man I go buy in YouTube house and turn it into a poultry farm. We need to cleanse the nation from stupid noise makers. Or say obi enkanche Kojo Sheldon as in the YouTube house. I just say or one or no Kojo Forex or the nisika ebeto. Not just or the anyen koko. Hey Charlie. Hey Charlie, serious trash pal. Also the benyen koko. That just say was stopping noise from the system. Now, Otwas says, first off, at least you agree with me, you have a misplaced priority with your political affiliation. Better still, it only serves your personal interest and that of your cohort. Secondly, I have never taken anyone's money under any pretense and never will. So, Emra Chese will make it to it, and of course, Kojo Sheldon Ebechiemu say, or you will be allegedly, or the Forex Escalation Kwadwo Chese, bra, join me VIP group, member signal, now they are trading, and you say, or see, or Jessica allegedly, on ye, na Chese, why relocate, they akko Dubai. Now, and no, and na Kojo Forex response by say, at least, the obetimi aka, and he say, or no, on ye cron for, the oki kenyina, no, onye onji obi sika under pretense and onye ensoda or brain unya ni sika na Kojo Sheldon supporting NPP because a favor no and in the circles and unti and economy no aye den still upon pay a push say we should vote for the NPP. Kojo Forex was say Moro record the yawa of the day about yourself because today you really do yawa. Also, Kojo Sheldon yawa of the day I just on recording and money because and net dear why yawa. Lastly, nothing you get past me except your freaking big head and empty brains by the chat nonsense. Education, I'm clear. Articulation, I'm clear. Platform, clear. Intelligence, clear. Sense, clear. Money, clear. Pick your fight wisely, young idiot. Or say she anyhow. Kojo Sheldon ewo the channel. I just say bi a say bi niti a eson channel. Or say ono ye ka school wakobi. Ye ka sika obi. Or your fresh boy Kojo Sheldon just say or will be a channel into chese on fa ni jimie enso ho no nkope ni ntokwa obeku yi adofo so we na beef bi a chese ekoso between Kwadwo Sheldon any Kojo Forex and Kojo PSA ase Kojo Forex sound super rude because probably or doing say osika and bibi. Some are also in defense of the Orca. Well, sisi abedane more of Kojo Forex fans, any SM fans against Kojo Sheldon. Now, so what is your take on this? Do you think said the Kojo Forex can say be a nonsense has been said by Kojo Sheldon? And now Odrin say he has a point at age 30 or more. They say on second first 100K. Well, Vimbas TV so and the more updates and everything. Now share video on YouTube. Now you can subscribe. I don't for support us by subscribing and also turning on your post notification. Now there are more and more videos on the channel. Me I check it and out. I don't for once again subscribe. Support us. Yeah, that's CP.
Vimbas TV.